Happy birthday, Caitlin. Our session together. I'm 22, you fucking dick.
No. Friendly or not, let's find out. That one's the same colour as me.
That's so true.
Can someone let me like sit on their bike while they ride it? Because I don't know how to ride one.
I said that.
Sorry, on that camera.
Yeah.
Thank you for the pasta, Jacob. It was very nice, Jacob.
What the fuck? That's sick! Thank you so much! Bro, that's me! Hold on, that's my hair! Is that a video?
Yeah. No, I'm recording you. I have your phone right now.